This is for Year 10 General Pathway. It's Trigonometry 5.2 question number 2. A 3 metre long rope is stretched from the top of a vertical tent pole and pegged into the ground so that it makes an angle of 50 degrees with the ground. How far away is the pole from the pole is the rope pegged? Give your answer the nearest centimetre. Okay, so what does this look like? I've got a tent. So I got this tent, and the tent has a vertical peg. So let's say this is my vertical pole. There's my vertical pole holding the tent up. And attached to the vertical pole I have a rope that's attached to the ground. And it's a 3 metre long rope, and the rope makes with the ground an angle of 50 degrees. So a 3 metre long rope, there's my 3 metre long rope, is stretched from the top of a vertical tent pole and pegged to the ground there. And it makes 50 degrees with the ground. How far away from the pole is the rope pegged? This is the distance I'm looking for. So I can then see a right angle triangle where there's my right angle, there's 3, there's 50, and I'm looking for x. Given this is my angle, this is the hypotenuse and this is adjacent. SOHCAHTOA. In this case I'm using A and H, so I'm looking for the cosine. So the cosine of 50 degrees equals adjacent over hypotenuse. The cosine of 50 degrees equals x on top of 3. So using my calculator, I've got the cosine of 50 degrees equals fraction, on the top I've got x, and the bottom I've got 3. And I'm going to select it. Interactive, advanced, solve for x, okay, and that tells me that x equals 1.92836 meters. The answer, they asked me to do it in centimeters. So since there's 100 centimeters in a meter, I'm going to times this by 100. So I get this answer, and I times it by 100. That gives me 192.8. To the nearest centimetre is 193 centimetres, is the distance that the rope is pegged from the pole.